Now let me show you how to impress your friends with this drop-down list. All right, select your cells, go to data, click on data validation, select list, enter your source. So completed, not completed, in progress. Click OK. You just created a data validation. All right. So let's give all this, let's give it colors. So select your cells, go home, click on conditional formatting, click on new rule, select rule number 2. Format only cells that contain specific text. All right, so inside this, we're going to put completed. So when the project is completed, we want to give it a green color. So let's put this color. All right. So for completed, this color has been achieved. So select your data again, your column, go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, select rule number 2. All right. Specific text, not completed. Any project that has not been completed, we want to give it color red. So we are choosing this color, click OK again. Let's try that. Not completed, we have this color. All right, select your column again, go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, rule number 2. Click on specific text, enter in progress. So any cell that is in progress, we give it color yellow. All right, click OK again. Let's try that. In progress, completed, completed. So you just learn how to create this amazing drop-down list. All right, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.